Progressive Industries EMSPT 50X Portable RV Surge Protector, 58, plus Master Lock 719D3 long x 3/16 diameter cable with integrated laminated steel padlock. Product 1, Surge Protection. 5 mode 3580J 88,000A ratings, 50A 120V 240V 12,000 watts. Operating temperatures, -40°C to +105°C. Product 1, weather resistant, designed for outdoor use. Product 1, security locking bracket. Product 1, rugged pull handle, tough Lexan housing, all-weather shield assembly. Product 2, braided steel for strength and flexibility. Product 2, protective vinyl coating helps prevent scratching. Product 2, 118 inches, 29 millimeters, wide laminated steel body for superior strength. Product 2, dual locking levers provide extra pry resistance. Click the link in the description to get this product.